Hi, in this short video, we're going to sort of learn how to be able to just go onto Google Hangouts so that we can have our class online. If you go, here you are in your start screen if you're on Google. I'd recommend that you use Chrome for this. So once you're in Chrome, you open it up and you're on your start page at Google. Go to the matrix over here that contains a lot of the apps. And just click there and you'll see Hangouts. If it's not on the first page, then you can click more and then Hangouts will be down here. Okay, a lot of times you could be able to adjust and then choose which ones go where, and if you use Hangouts a lot, then you can move it up to the first page. Click on the Google Hangouts and it's gonna prompt you to sort of, you could do any of these things, video call, message, but I recommend that you sign in your account first, and I'm gonna go ahead and sign in on my APU account. Okay, so now that we're there, we're signed in, there's going to be like these sort of this explanation or this first splash page for you first time users. Here you're going to be in the Google Hangouts screen. Nice picture of Venice there. You might have a different picture. I don't know if Google Pics or whatever puts something there. But then there will be different conversations, and what I'm going to do this afternoon is I'm going to set up a video call, and then when I set up the video call, it's going to prompt me to make a name for the Hangout, and I'm just going to call it like TEP 548, week 6, and then that way, and then for that conversation, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add you guys to it, and you're going to get a call from me around 7:30 p.m. today if all works out. And you just need to go there and then probably like type in the Hangout name, and I'll email you the Hangout name along with the the link to this YouTube. All right, so TEP 548 week 6, and then that's pretty much it. And then once I set it, it's going to create the video call, and then I can then invite you, and that's what I'm going to do. And then there'll be a little picture of me at the bottom, and then there'll be pictures of you as well. Now you can of course mute the video, but we're going to be giving presentations when we're there in this screen, and I can invite people, and this actually will change once we are actually in a conversation. It'll actually appear as like a share screen, and that's what we're going to use to share our screen. Or we can use this, and this will allow us to share our screen, and then that's when you put up your PowerPoint or you put up your Google Slides and you click share screen and then run through the conversation. All right, or run through your presentation, and then what we could turn off the share screen and then have our conversation about our weekly task. Now if you have any questions after viewing this video, please feel free to contact me via email. I will try to answer it as best as I could. Also, what you can do is then you can also open up a chat window and then chat with the group or individually, and you can also share like apps, or you can share files via this. Now you're going to have to be logged into your APU Google in order for us to like share files and stuff like that. If I'm setting it up as an APU talk, then you're going to have to be on APU as well. And we can share files here then in case you want all of us to sort of look at the presentation instead of screencasting it. Then you can also drop files here for us to share. Okay, that's pretty much it for what we're going to do today. Run through the presentations. There's going to be 5 presentations, and remember this Google Hangouts is not optional. This is our alternate way of doing class as part of the hybrid. So attendance is still required. Please be aware of that. If you're not attending and you don't present, you lose that percentage for the grade in the class. Just to let you know, this is basically how we're going to complete, I believe, assignment G that's on our syllabus. All right, thank you very much.